How to use FreshBooks. FreshBooks accounting software. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use FreshBooks for your invoicing and billing. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to freshbooks.com and you will land on this platform right here. FreshBooks allows you to create your own invoices and billing. It is one of the easiest and affordable accounting software out there. When it comes to the features and tools, we get accounting, clients, expenses, tracking, payment, estimates, invoicing, mobile, projects, and reports. We also get time tracking with FreshBooks. So it is all in one accounting software for your small business. To get started with FreshBooks, simply click right here, try it for free, and you will be able to sign up for FreshBooks. Signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your email address or with your Google account. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up with my Google account. After the initial sign up, you will get your own dashboard on FreshBooks. This is my FreshBooks dashboard, and you can see right here that I have a dashboard option, clients, invoices, payments, expenses, estimate, time tracking, projects, and my team. I can also access reports and accounting from here. We can also add different integrations in order to customize our FreshBooks. So let's start and create a new client. To create a new client, you will simply click right here and it will allow you to add a new client. Simply add first and last name, company name, email address, phone number, and then you can also add their address. We can also go ahead and set reminders, charge late fee or currency, or change currency and language for our client. Once you have added all of the details, you will simply click on Save, and your new client will be added. You can also go ahead and import a client list from your Gmail if you want to. We also get a send email option right here that allows us to quickly send an email to our clients. Then we have the invoices option right here. Let me show you how we can create a new invoice in FreshBooks. Simply click on New Invoice, and now I can simply drag or select a file to upload here. We can add a client by clicking right here and selecting the client. So I have selected the client that I just added. Then we have date of issue. Then we have a due date. Then this is going to be my invoice number. And this is the amount. You can simply go ahead and enter your item name right here. Let's say that I provided a service and now I want to bill my client by sending them an invoice. So what I will do is I will simply add my item name right here. So you will simply add your items right here. To add a new line, you simply click right here and simply enter your item name. To delete, you will simply click right here and a line will be deleted. So I have added 3 lines right here for my 3 sessions. This is the rate for each session. Quantity. Let's say that this session the quantity was 2. So I can simply go ahead and change the quantity. And the line total will be added right here. Then you will be able to see your subtotal right here. This is the tax and this is the total. And of course we have amount paid. Now you can simply go ahead and request a deposit as well, or maybe add a payment schedule here. This is the invoice now. All I have to do is simply save it or maybe send it to my client right now. I'm going to go ahead and save this invoice for now. You can also upload a digital file right here if it is needed, or maybe a document. Here I will be able to see all of my invoices that I have created. The total amount is shown right here and the issue date. Now to add a new invoice, I will simply click right here and it will be added. If you want to go for a template for recurring invoices, then you can create a template and you can use it. It will help you save your time and you don't need to create an invoice every time. Then you can simply go to payments. In payments, you will be able to add your all invoicing payment right here. You will be able to check your invoicing number and payment date. If we go to expenses, then you will be able to check your expenses and it will help you stay in budget. To update a new expense, you simply click right here. You can either go ahead and upload a receipt or manually create one. So I'm going to click on manually create. Once you click on manually create, then FreshBooks allows you to create a new expense. One thing that I really like about FreshBooks is that it gives you the view that you're working on papers. But at the same time, it's saving you from hassle of dealing with all the documents and papers. This is the modern way of accounting, and it saves you a lot of time. Now, I will simply select a new category. So I am going with advertising. I can go ahead and drag a receipt image right here. Simply add your merchant. Then you will simply add your taxes and add a grand total. I am going to go ahead and add a grand total right here. And this is going to be my new expense for this merchant right here. You can select a currency from here. Once you select a currency, then you don't have to add this symbol right here. It will be automatically saved in that currency. You can choose from any currency you want to. Once you're done, you will simply click on Save. Similarly, we also get a time tracking option right here. You can track time with Freshbooks. Once you generate an invoice, then you can simply go ahead and create billable hours from this option right here. Simply enter the name, client name, and then you will simply enter your time. And now I can see that this is a billable hour and non-billable. Then we have our project and team option where I can create my own team or create a new project to work on. When it comes to creating a new project, you simply click right here. You can create a flat rate project or an hourly project. With an hourly project, you will be able to track time within your FreshBooks. So FreshBooks is all-in-one platform that has all of the features for you. You can create your own invoices, clients, payments, projects, team, expenses, and more. With FreshBooks, you will be able to organize and manage your small business, and it will save a lot of time, and the platform is very easy to use too. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use FreshBooks.